Hello, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Good morning, good morning. So today we will discuss as we are in the I'll show you the syllabus of opportunity seeking. We have already in the as an update. Okay, so we're done with the origin. So we are already in the market process. Okay, so we will discuss about on the market process or marketplace in business. So definitely we will discuss basic concepts of marketing management. Okay, so kaya nga ganyan ng course natin, very flexible. We're talking about finance, marketing. So talagang business operation talagang uh, outcome ng entrepreneurship. Okay? Marketing management. So what is marketing management? So remember, marketing management is a marketing is a social and managerial process by which individuals, groups, or individuals obtain what they need, okay, and want through creating, offering, and exchanging products of value with others. Which is, etong others na yan is the consumer. Okay, consumer. Consumer. Pangit ng sulat ko. Okay. Hirap kasi dito mag-doodle sa PowerPoint. Moving forward. So that's the basic definition of marketing. Okay? So we're talking about the process by which groups obtain the need and want by creating and offering and changing product of value. So anything that has a value could be exchanged with other, which is going to be consumers, regardless that those consumer are retail, okay, mga end consumer, or business. So, business or B2B. So, B2C, di ba? B2C or B2B. Yan. So, what is needs? Okay, what is needs, wants, and demands? So, when we talk about needs, it is a human need which state of deprivation of deprivation of some basic satisfaction. Okay? People require food. Okay? Food, clothing, shelter, safety, belongingness. Ito yung makikita natin saan natin makikita yon? Maslow's hierarchy. So, ito yung mga essentials in getting the basic needs of the people, di ba? So, ito yung basic needs natin, di ba? Level of satisfaction to. Okay? So, these are not created by society or marketers. They exist in the very texture of the human biology and condition. Kasi it's a need, di ba? So, syempre, lahat ng tao kailangan bumili ng pagkain, clothing, di ba? Kaya nga mabenta ngayon ang online selling, mostly ang binibenta nila ay yung nasa needs, di ba? So, you have to determine if you will selling needs once or is it in the trend, okay? Nasa demand ba siya, trend. Okay? Next, wants is a desires for specific satisfiers of needs. Although needs are few, wants are many, and are continually shaped and reshaped by social forces and institutions. For example, yung food, ba? Food. Basic yun, kailangan makakain ka, di ba? Pero kapag ayan, okay, you evaluate, okay, hindi naman necessarily on a regular basis kailangan kumain ng samgyup. I-become a desire, di ba? Lahat tayo gusto magsamgyup everyday kung as much as possible, di ba? Puro karne na lang. So, kahit unhealthy siya, go pa rin kasi pag unhealthy, masarap, di ba? Kung ano yung bawal, masarap. So, basically, it become a desire. Lalo na kapag we're talking about it, kunyari, yung collection, part of collection, like cars, games, toys. So, that is part of desires or wants. Okay? So, demands is wants for specific product that are backed by an ability and willingness to buy them. Okay? once become demand when supported by purchasing power. Okay? It becomes demand when it is supported by purchasing power. For example, okay, ang trend ngayon is to provide a gadget that is being used in everyday life, 'di ba? It becomes demand. So, for example, yung tawag dito, yung air freshener, okay, for the yung automatic na nagbibigay ng purifier for the tawag dito, alcohol, okay? I forgot the name. So, ngayon, yun ang in demand ngayon kasi people are willing to purchase that and because it becomes a need, okay? So, itong once na to, it becomes demanded, okay? Demandable because it is supported by, kumbaga naka-hype siya because it becomes a lot of people has a purchasing power to buy those specific products. Okay? So, what are those products? It could be goods, service, and ideas. So, a product is anything that can be offered to satisfy the need and a want. So, lahat ng marketers, entrepreneurs, or a professional marketer, their job is to sell the benefits or previous built into a physical goods. Okay, ang goal natin is to show them, convince them the benefits, okay, and service built into a physical product. So, di ba kaya nga ang usong-uso niya ay hybrid business. Ibig sabihin ng hybrid business is you are offering a combination of merchandising, manufacturing, and services. So, hybrid business ka. So, market, okay, consists of potential customers sharing a particular need or want who might be willing and able to engage in exchange to satisfy the need and want. So, ano ba yung klase ng mga markado? Okay, yung market, of course, enable for you to identify the market, you have to get who will be the target. Okay? Sino ba yung target mo? Ano bang klase yan? Diba? These markets consist of customers. Pero if you want to specify your customer, you have to know your target market. Kaya ang sinasabing target market, diba? So, marketing, ayan yung definition niya. It's a process. Marketing management is a process of planning, executing conception, pricing, promotion, and so we're talking about the purpose of marketing, di ba? So, ang relationship marketing naman is a practice of building long-term, okay? Di ba, when we do marketing, it's all about how we make relationship, di ba? Business relationship with our customers, suppliers, distributors, in order for us to retain our long-term preference and business. So, the concept is achieving the organizational goals, consists to become more effective than competitors in integrating marketing activities in determining and satisfying the needs and wants of our target market. So, what is selling and marketing? So, magkaiba po yun ha. When we define market, doesn't mean na, marketing, nagsisend, taga-benta lang naman yan. So, remember, pag marketing tayo, it involves ideas, okay, not just selling, nasa branch siya ng marketing ang selling, pero ang marketing is more on the concepts and how we communicate, offer, and exchange our product to our consumer. So, selling focus on the needs of the seller. So, marketing is focus on the needs of the buyer. Okay? So, ayan ang difference nga, it focus on the needs of the seller. Ang marketing naman ay focus on the need of the supplier. Okay? Selling is preoccupied with the seller's need to convert his product into cash. Diba? Yun naman lagi natin eh. Pag nakabenta tayo, ang bottom line natin, magkaroon tayo ng cash. Diba? So, pag sinabi naman natin, okay, so idea of satisfying the needs of the customer means, okay, pag sinabi naman selling, it is a push. Pag marketing is a pull. So, ano yung sabihin niyan? Pag push kasi, inaalam mo. Inaalam mo yung situation. Okay? You're dealing with the market. You will know what is the trend. Okay, enable for you to achieve your objective to get into cash, convert your products into cash, or the idea, okay, or exchange it, or it will be a mutual benefit on the consumer. Ampul naman, you are studying the needs of the buyer, okay, to communicate your objective, your primary objective in your business, and that is marketing. So societal marketing, it's the number one trend today. Ito yung isa sa mga marketing concept na which is I think very effective to all businesses is it holds that organization task to determine the needs and wants and interests of the target markets to deliver the desired satisfaction more effectively and efficiently than the competitor. So it enhances also the consumer's well-being, society's well-being. So if it's, alam niyo ba yung mga pop culture, yan, if you sell those kind of products and which is promotes the well-being of the person. Kunyari, yung mga eco-friendly, yan, mga societal, economical concepts that has a team, a good team that promotes and empowers, okay, a certain situation. Therefore, it could be used as a concept or a marketing strategy wherein you tap the hearts and convince your consumer, okay, to purchase or be in love with your products. Diba? So, 4Ps, okay, and 4Cs. So, we talk about 4Ps. Ito yung very natural when we define marketing. So, 4Ps, we have product, we're talking about customer needs and wants, the price, the cost of the customer, place, convenience, and promotion is through how you communicate your product. Okay? So, what is 4C? 4C naman, ito yung customer needs and wants. It's just the same, but definitely, it focuses on the customer. Okay? Ito naman, yung 4Cs, parehas lang silang marketing. Itong 4Cs naman, that is business concept. Okay? That is aligned to your market. Diba? Target specific market. Ito kasi walang specific eh. Okay? So, both of them, they are into marketing. Okay? Marketing. Okay. Next. SWOT analysis. Syempre, I believe that you already studied the SWOT analysis. If we talk about SWOT, this is strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Okay? So, etong SW, that is internal. Pag etong OT, that is external. Okay? So, the strength and weaknesses, okay, marketing, company's reputation, the market share, syempre, if you already build your brand identity to the market, that is consider your strength. Pag product naman, product service quality, pricing, it could be the effectiveness to make your sales for promotions, and geographically coverage, lalo na ngayon, that's the core competence of your business, which is consider your strength. Pag sinabing what is your core competence, we're talking about the strength of your company. Okay? Geography, lalo na ngayon, online na tayo eh. So, it matters of logistics. Kaya nga, usong-uso ngayon, di ba? Kahit gaano ka kalayo, kung with the power of your logistics, lalo na Lala Move, di ba? Grab. Yung sinsel natin is the convenience. Remember two things that we have to focus, di ba? Empowerment, tsaka orientation. We want to be oriented at the same time. We want to feel empowered, okay, by means of getting your product. So, it's important when you set up your marketing strategies, we organize it. So, what are the visionary, capable leadership, dedicated employees, entrepreneurial orientation, and flexible and responsive? So, in marketing, the opportunities is, of course, we can be profitable, okay? We can perform profitability. It could be classified to attractiveness. Kaya nga tinuro ko sa inyo yung grid, tsaka yung success ng probability niya, yung projection nyo. Okay? And then, it also depends on whether it's business strength not only match the success requirements for operating in target market, but also it is with your competitors. So, you always benchmark it with your competitors. Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, it's important you identify your competitor. So, that's where you drive your marketing strategies as well. Okay? So, the threat is the challenge by imposed unfavorable trends. Diba? That could be lead in the absence of your defense and action to generate in sales. So, more seriously, this is could lead a serious problem if you will not, threat kasi is we're talking about what not inside our company. Kasi pag inside, that is weakness. This is a national problem. Kumbaga, lahat ng industry suffers with this threat. Okay? Yung bang pagtayo o paglagay ng Marina Bay Sands sa Manila Bay, okay, ano bang magiging threat ba yon sa atin as a external factor or it could be an opportunity for us. So, dadami ba yung turista pag nilagay doon? Ano bang benefit nun sa atin? So, you have to identify that. So, lahat kailangan na nangyayari sa bansa natin, you have to consider that because those are external factors and we have to classify it accordingly if it's a threat or an opportunity. Remember, threat could be turned as an opportunity. Depends on when you formulate your SWOT analysis o TOAST matrix, di ba? TOAST matrix, when you formulate it, yung threat nyo, you could generate some strategies on how you able to tap or to get an opportunity out of it. So, it depends on how you make the analysis. Later on, we will make a marketing plan which is involves executive summary, current market and opportunity and objective. So, marketing plan, pag sinabi marketing plan, so we are expecting a strategy. More on a strategy siya. So, it also involves the content of approaches and how we achieve our specific objectives. There are also specific programs and how we able to execute our marketing strategies designed to achieve the business objectives. Okay? There also a projection. Pag marketing, dapat meron ka rin projection. Siyempre, kailangan, at the end of the day, kung meron kang projection to tap the online selling, okay, how much budget you will allocate that and how much it will return to us. So, there also must be a control. So, to improve continuous improvement, okay? Sustainability means continuous improvement. So, marketing information system, of course, napakamahalaga niyan, lalo na we're living in a digital era. Okay? So, MS consists of people, equipment, procedure to gather, sort, analyze, evaluate, and distribute needed timely and accurate information to marketing decision. Di ba nga, yung external recording system is yung order-to-pay cycle. It's the heart of internal dealers, customer. Actually, meron akong ituturo sa inyo. Okay? So, okay, may tuturo ako sa inyo. Disregard. Okay, nasa, na tayo slide 21. Marami palang slide. Okay. Meron akong alam na how to make a good promotional and in terms when you want to earn money while you are in online. So, I have this, what you call, Fiverr site. Okay, legit naman yan. So, yan yung mga entrepreneurs dyan if you want to earn while in online. Diba? So, ang mangyari dyan is you will help those in e-commerce to to give them what they need. Okay, for example, I'm joining Yan. So, ito yung magiging itsura niya. So, you can log in your, you can create manually or register manually. So, yan yung mga binibenta nila. So, sabi dito, I will record a professional and one North American. Ito, and dito sinesell nila kung ano yung kaya nilang gawin. So, kung may mga artistic kayo, okay, yung mga marunong sa design logos, yan yung pwede nyong pagkakitaan while to become a freelance and business entrepreneurs. So, dito, kung may mga kailangan kayo sa business nyo, pwede nyo ring i-post dito. For example, kailangan ko ng ano ba yung ano, WordPress, copy-paste, meron dito eh. Wait lang i-ano ko. CTO marketing, video animation, kagaya ng mga visual effect, kung gusto niyo yun, kung marunong kayo naman ganyan. May papakita ko sa inyo. Logo design, for example, logo design. So, if you're looking for something you can attach, and then how much budget you can allocate, syempre in dollar nga lang kasi international kasi itong Fiverr. Okay? So, if you want, ikaw naman na magbibigay ng service dun sa tao, for example, I will design an outstanding logo. Yan, yung mga kailangan. Editor speak. So, itong mga seller, ito naman yung mga most in demand, okay? Na ayan pati yung pag-video recording kaya nila. So, yung mga clients ninyo, international, most likely gising sila sa gabi. So, meron din naman sa umaga kasi syempre you at the time, kasi most of the time mga Americans yung mga clients dito. So, tanong, gumagawa ba ako nito? Na-try ko nito once. So, meron akong ginawa dito na nagtanggal ako ng background ng tawag dito, ng images kasi ipopost na sa e-commerce like Amazon, 'di ba? Ayan. So, eto, resume right typing. Okay? So, dito yung mga kapag kailangan mo ng i-edit yung inyong resume, pwede dito. So, matataas nga lang yung mga ano nila, yung mga requirement nila. Ayan and will make your CV. So, kailangan may mga portfolio din kayong ilalagay. Okay? So, dyan yung mga naghahanap. So, yung mga clients, sila yung pupili dito. Okay? Sila yung mga pipili dito kung ano yung mga gusto yung pagawa. Di ba? So, yung kunyari, magbubura na nga ng images. Images, background. Ayan ito yung nakaka-last time yung mga e-commerce na kailangan nila na i-delete. So, meron dito $5 yung starting. Tingnan natin ito kung ano na. So, kung basic daw, kaya niya magbura ng 30 images. So, ano ba yung app na yun na makakapagbura ng images? So, type mo lang, background, remove BG. Meron ka ng remove background from images. Ito yung ginagamit na app to remove your background. For example, kuha tayo sa images, sa shoes. Natin sa ayan, yun natin to. So, gusto ko itong tanggalin. Yan ang mga kasi gusto ng mga kliyente na naka-highlight yung sapatos. Kaya pag nakikita nyo sa mga Shopee, Lazada, tingnan natin yan sa Shopee Okay. Sa Shopee, pansinin nyo, karamihan dyan, and giving you opportunity could also use your part-time, di ba? Nakikita nyo pala, na puro white yung background, di ba? So, normally, yun yung mga nangangailangan ng services. Example, ito, itim. Yan. Ito yung gagawin natin, tatanggalan natin ng background. Save natin yan. Nike with BG. Yan. So, save natin yan. Download natin. So, tanggalin natin yung background. Nike BG. Ayan remove BG. Di ba? Ang galing. So, pag nindownload natin yan, pwede yan high resolution. So, pag dindownload natin yan, di ba? Hindi mo na kailangan pulidong-pulido yung paggawa. Sa mga hindi marunong mag-Photoshop, okay lang yan. Okay? So, kung marunong mag-Photoshop, you can do it without using this application. Diba? Libre lang siya. So, ayun yung trabaho nitong freelancer na to. Pag daw 30 images, you pay them $5. So, $5 times 50, magkano na yun, di ba? So, you could earn 250 for editing 30. Kayang-kaya naman natin yun. Pag standard naman, 75, 500 images. Di ba? Pabilisan lang talaga. Tsaka ito, 150. Kung $150, you could produce 1,000 easy images. Convert it. So, ayan, di ba? Ayan yung mga niya. So, you could post that, yung mga clients, pwedeng kunin yon. Okay? So, become a seller, yan na nga, may mga tutorial din siya. Marami, kung ano, ibenta nyo yung idea nyo. Kung may talent naman kayo sa mga creatives, di ba, you could sell that, or taking pictures, di ba, on behalf. Copywriting, ibig sabihin ng copywriting is how you make or sell a product using words lang, wala kang pictures, talagang yung makakapag-engganyo ka lang. So, kung kaya mo maggawa ng mga website, pwedeng you can use this one to, to do a website, di ba? Mahal yung paggawa ng website. Kung may talent ka naman doon, pwede yung gamitin ko. Ayan. So, ito mga kliyento, ito legit to ha, legit tong app na to. So, dito, pag may mga wala akong work, nag-freelance ako dito minsan. So, ito, tingnan mo ito, yung mga video editing na to, okay? So, ito, kayang-kaya naman natin gawin ito pag marunong ka mag-Photoshop, di ba? So, may mga basic, standard, at premium, oh. Malay mo, may kumuha sa yung customer, basta gandahan mo lang yung portfolio mo. O, di ba? Ang ganda, no? May background na siya, di ba? Kayang-kaya yan. Tsaka ito, sabi ko sa inyo, ang website natin is a goldmine. Di ba? So, moving forward, okay, going back to MIS, or Marketing Information System. So, ito yung mga POS, Point of System. Ibig sabihin, ito yung pag nagbili tayo ng Shopee, di ba? It could be a merchant, pwedeng COD, o pwedeng debit or credit card natin. Sa internal record system, this is order to payment cycle. It's a heart of internal record system where salespeople, dealers, customers dispatch order to the firm. Ito yung mga, di ba, pag parang add to cart, di ba? So, this will be shipped items accompanied by shipping, billing, documents, etc. Ang tawag doon is, there's another parang outsource program or business that caters the order to payment cycle. So, yun, kung may talent kayo dyan sa pag-create ng ganong system, you could also do this because it's part of the marketing strategy. And then, sales reporting system, it's a marketing managers need to update reports of their current sales. The marketing representative now have the immediate access to information about the prospect and can give their companies immediate feedback and sales report. So, next time, tuturuan ko naman kayo kung paano kumita ng pera as an opportunity by doing a copy-paste. Okay? Yung mga pag-promote o marketing. Okay? In the next video, please follow me ha kung paano kumita ng pera ng nasa bahay ka lang nag-internet. Okay? Nang magkano? Lalagpas ng 13,000 to 15,000 a month. No? Not bad as a passive income, di ba? So, marketing intelligence naman is set of procedure, okay? So, these are the marketing system that we have to impose in our marketing department. So, in order to become a competitive, because we adopt technology in our system. Market demand is a product which a total volume that would be bought by the defined customer group in a defined geographical area. So, meaning, there's a specific market wherein their needs and wants are being defined in a specific area. Okay? Market forecast is only one level of industry. So, when we do market forecast, kagaya nag-monsoon tayo, di ba? May market demand in Thailand, in Singapore, etc., etc. So, that's the market forecast wherein the market demand must correspond to this level. It's market forecast. So, probably may spike or there is an uptrend on that day, di ba? On that month. It could be month, day, year. So, it depends on the forecast provided. So, definitely, it could be use our basis to prepare for our inventory, di ba? So, there is some market potential. Company demand. So, mga market potential is how this market demands as industry marketing expedition approach to the situation. Okay? So, company sales potential is the sales limit approach by the company. So, the two would if 100% market share. So, example, when we do a specific target market, okay, there must be a sales quota or a target to set for a specific product line or division. So, depends on how you set up your marketing concept, okay, and how you set within the company's marketing, and how you do the sales quota. For example, yung basic, magkano ba ang sales quota natin yan when we sell these basic products? for the standard and premium. So definitely they varies among time, and we have to do, yes, of course, sales forecast for that specific demand. So, syempre, kapag nag-sales quota ka, dapat may budget doon, how much expected volume to be used and purchased for the products, di ba? So, estimating demand, surveys buyer's intention, we measures the purchasing capability of the buyers. Like, do you intend to buy an automobile within the 6 months? Within 6 months, will you purchase? So, these are the requirements or the inquiry we do to the consumers to get their future and personal finances as well as their likes and dislikes in a particular product. So this will also give them uh, a basis there by means of compositioning the sales force opinion. So this um, will help us estimate how much is our current prospective customer. Okay. So of course, when we do the sales force of opinions, we also get the opinions of the experts. So we will solidify our forecasting, like dealers, suppliers, consultants, and association, enable us to set up our marketing strategy. Siyempre, pag kinuha mo na yung pulso ng tao, we have to consult also the expert opinions. Kaya nga may mga consultants yung, yung ibang companies, yung mga advisors. So, it's market test method where buyers do not plan their purchase carefully or experts are not available or reliable. This method is also known the test market. So, ito kasi yung pilot testing na sinasabi natin, what if mag-soft opening tayo, di ba? Will it be effective to the customer? So, wala necessarily Pero it's not part of the holistic strategy. Kumbaga, tinetest mo lang if the new product sale will be acceptable, how long it will be acceptable to them, it will generate ba more sales, magkakaroon ba tayo na marginal revenue doon. Ibig sabihin, ang marginal revenue, as I have discussed, diba, may original ka ng sales, pero nagsama ka pa ng isa pang, nag-add ka pa ng isa which is not included in the plan. That is what you call marginal revenue. At kumita ka doon, that's marginal revenue. Of course, there is a marginal cost kasi it's not originally in the plan. But at least you earn a marginal revenue. Kumbaga. So business markets, these are the approvers, buyers, and gatekeepers. So I would emphasize more on the cultural factors. Ayan, malapit na tayo matapos. So, of course, business marketers, there must be buyers, of course, and gatekeepers who have the power to prevent sellers in info from reaching buyers. So, mga receptionists, okay? To cater the queries of the buyers, 'di ba? Dapat importante yung customer service dapat tayo, 'di ba? Business market and business buying behavior. Cultural factors are very important. For example, in France, they apologize for not speaking French. For the Germany, they would like to get a title, 'di ba? Japan is have a flexible agenda. Korea naman is they are very sensitive the connection with Japan, 'di ba? Meron silang history kasi ng Japan, 'di ba? Kagaya nga yung nag-trend nung tato, 'di ba? Which is very offensive to the Korean people. Kaya nga sabi nila ban natin i-ditch yung Korea. Pero nonetheless, naayos naman yung issue na yun, 'di ba? So Latin America so use licensed agents. So these are the historical or cultural factors that we have to consider. Ano ba yung mga main sensitivity or ano ba yung main strength ng isang bansa? So if we could use then if our target market is more on Japanese rainfall, 'di ba? So, types of purchasing, there is a type of purchasing process. We have routine, we have leverage, strategic, and bottleneck. So, ibig sabihin ng bottleneck, di ba, sa bote, okay, mahirap kang pumasok. Pero pag na-retrieve mo naman yung end goal, di ba, masyado siyang malawak, spacious. So, sa una lang yung mahirap, kumbaga. So, once you get in the bottleneck, at the end of the day, if you achieve it, hayayay ka na, di ba? So, strategic products, meaning it has a high value and high risk din. Ito yung mga mainframes product. So, naman, pag leverage product, high value but low risk. Okay, low risk naman siya. And then, office supplies, it's a part of the itinerary of the business, di ba? Kaya nga tawag din is routine products. So, i-identify natin what type of purchasing products that we offer to our client. Okay? Nasa low value but some risk. Okay? So, So, yun yung battle ng product. So, we have to, this is the stages of purchasing process. Of course, ano ba yung problem? Yung problem ba yun, do we resolve the problem? Okay? Of course, that product ba answers our problem. And then we find our supplier. And then we get their uh, solicited advice or proposal. And then we select our supplier. And then order written specs. And then, of course, we do the review. Okay, these are the process or stages of purchasing, 'di ba? Sometimes we are defending on the reviews first, 'di ba? So it could vary over time, but this is the natural or the concept or framework on how purchasing starting, okay? So it could be our target market, it could be institutional. Pag sa institutional, schools, mga malalaking companies, di ba? Malalaking institutional. Institutional yung malalaki. Di ba? So, schools, hospital, prisons, hotels, corporate bodies, government organization, etc. Which is very established already in the market. So, schools. Ano ba kailangan ng schools ngayon? Okay, wala naman na nag-schools ngayon. Online classes, hospital. Kailangan nila more PPE, di ba? Kailangan nila ng alcohols, 'di ba? Prisons, ano ba kailangan nila? So kailangan nila ng more food, 'di ba? Kailangan nila ng sanitation din as well. Dami rin nagkaka-COVID din. Hotels. Hotels, patay ngayon ang industriya ng turismo. So, mababa ngayon ang hotels. So, normally, binubuksan lang nila yung mga restaurants, di ba? Which is very rare naman napuntahan din ng mga tao ngayon dahil usong-usong ngayon yung mga delivery, yung mga take-out. Corporate bodies, of course, syempre may mga corporate bodies, banking, di ba? It depends on the type of industry, di ba? So, may mga, for example, banking industry, okay ngayon, despite that COVID, dahil marami ang nangungutang at kailangan ng pera. So, income generating pa rin. So, government ang pinaka-stable sa lahat. It could be the best target market because they have the budget allocated on it. Diba? So, that's it for now. So, stay tuned for more tutorials. Sana nagamit niyo yung Fiverr. And next time, tuturuan ko naman kayo how to become an influencer or affiliate marketing. Stay tuned. Bye-bye and God bless.